How to make MacBook screen smaller. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Method 1. Change display resolution. Tap on your Apple menu in the top left of your screen and further select System Preferences. In System Preferences, tap on the Displays option. Under the Display tab, you will see an option for resolution. Tap on Scaled option there to choose a different resolution. To make the screen content smaller, select a higher resolution, example, more space. After selecting a higher resolution, your screen content will shrink, making more items appear on the screen. And method 2, use zoom to adjust screen size. In settings again, tap on accessibility and then tap on the zoom option. Now, turn on use keyboard shortcuts to zoom or use scroll gesture with modifier keys options. If you selected the keyboard shortcut option, use option plus command plus the plus symbol to zoom in and use option plus command plus the minus keyboard shortcut to use the zoom out option. And if you selected the gesture option, hold down the control key and use your trackpad or mouse to zoom in and zoom out. So this is how you can make MacBook screen smaller. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.